All right, now we're talking powers of 10 and the zero exponent. So let's start here, 1 million, aka 1 and a bunch of zeros. 6 zeros to be exact. To write this as a power of 10, we use the exponent 6. Now notice a pattern here. The 100,000 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and it's to the exponent 5. 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the power of 4. How about 1,000? 1,000 is to the power of 3 with 3 zeros. So there's a pattern emerging here. To figure out what exponent to use, you need to know how many zeros you need to add. But as we get to the bottom here, we notice a shift. 2 zeros, yeah, 1 0, yeah. But here when we get to 1, it's 10 to the power of 0. There are 0 tens here. Any integer to the power of 0, as long as it's not 0, will always equal 1. So 13 to the power of 0, random number generated by my brain, we get 1. All right, so now what's the point of all this knowledge that I just gave you? Here, write 452 using powers of 10. Okay, 452 expanded format means 400 plus 50 plus 2. Now, let's make it even more simple. 4 times 100 is 400. I know what 100 is using the power of 10. That's just 4 times 10 to the power of 2 because there's 2 zeros there. Our first one is done. Let's do 50. That's just 5 times 10, aka 5 times 10 to the power of 1. 1 0. Next one, this is 2 times 1. Now this one is where the trickiness comes from. This is 2 times 10 to the power of 0 because there's 0 zeros there. If you remember, 10 to the power of 0, that just means 1. And there you go, you add them all up. This is your answer on your test.